This is how crazy I am, guys.
Wow.
And civil 52.
Oh
He has taken care of me. He has been there all through. I can't thank him for that. I have never done that.
So guys, I'm doing my hair. I'm tired. We're watching Love is Blind. It's 2 a.m. already? No, it's not 2 a.m. Il est 2h17.
Spending the evening with DT's family, like, okay, I can see as if they were my family. And,
I'm beautiful?
they really are very similar.
Thank you.
So,
So we're doing my hair, guys. It's so tiring. I'm tired. She is tired too, but she needs to finish this. But can we just continue tomorrow?
my intention.
So we're trying to do this crochet, guys. This one, where is it?
DT is so selfless that, you know,
At 13h. This one, we're doing this.
I can't make her happy. I want to know.
So we're trying to make this look like this one here. So it's quite looking.
How similar our stories were.
Okay. So I look like a lion right now. It's just too much going on my head. My hair is crazy, but we're trying, guys. It's cute.
Do this. Whatever.
How do they? Oh, like. Oh my gosh. So yeah, guys. It's like 2 a.m. already. And we're tired. We're both that tired. We're watching Love is Blind and we're trying to do the hair, but look at this.
No.
Ooh.
It's
But it kind of like, yeah, it needs some shaping.
Oh.
What?
I'm tired.
I know. So this is how oh, it's just crazy. But yeah, we will finish this and then we're gonna go ahead and, you know, trim a little bit and do things. But yes, it's Sunday already and we need to go to church. So I need this to be. So this is what we're doing. It's really like too much going on here. And also in Love is Blind, too much is going on. Oh, this one is so wow. Exactly. So it seems like all the people in here were like, they didn't really have like those strong connections like in the first season, and it's just really weird, you know. They keep fighting. But what I liked with this one, like, there's no drama, you know, like those snitch people. It's cool, it's
You
cute.
like the fact that there is no drama?
Where?
Oh, in this one, in this season.
I love the way that there's no drama, but the problem is that they didn't really do, like, they didn't have the bond, you know. In the
Yeah,
first
like
one, we always,
area
yeah,
bonds.
we had like some couples we were like, this one yes, you know. Par exemple, le couple de ceux qui s'étaient dit non là-bas, et puis nous tous ici on était, si tu as fait un mauvais choix.
Kenny et Kelly?
C'est Kenny et Kelly? Non, pas ceux qui étaient restés ensemble.
Jessica? Non, ils n'étaient pas restés ensemble, Kenny et Kelly.
Yeah. Ils s'étaient genre, Nani? Baliachana, correct?
Yeah, Kenny et Kelly.
Tu sais, ici devant maintenant, je ne sais pas si tu as vu dans la deuxième vidéo ce que la fille la faisait. Alianza de kuingizia huko hivi. Anaingiza hivi mbele. Tu as vu, non? Si, c'est comme ça qu'elle faisait en fait. Même où les nani, même Séoul, anaingiza pour que, tu vois, ça ferme un peu ici, que ça ne peut,
Yeah.
tu vois?
Yeah.
Anaingizia huko, maintenant ça fait entrer genre. And yeah, pour que ça fasse un peu, tu vois, pour qu'il n'y ait pas, tu vois quand on fait ça, tu vois, imaline non nekana, mais ça va balancer fait imaline kwanza nekana, tu vois un peu. So balance ingiza hivi, et puis bien sûr à la fin, watakuwa ça va dans brosser. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, we can do it tomorrow. But tomorrow when? Today? Okay guys, so I just came here to let you know, like, look how beautiful I am with this style. I mean, it's a really good style, you know, if you put it correct, like if you know how to do it, or if you have someone who knows how to put this on your head. I mean, it's just so beautiful. Like, no, not not here, sorry. Wait, come on, stop it. Look at here, Charm. There. Check that. See? Oh, I'm just beautiful. Okay guys, so we're not done. We're not done, but we're done for tonight because it's basically like 3:20 a.m. and it's windy outside. It's really cold. And we're tired. I am tired and she's probably tired too, so we're gonna go to bed and try to see like when we're gonna wake up tomorrow, and we'll just continue from there and maybe go to church after that. So I really hope that, yeah, it will be good because it's too much, guys. It is too much. Look at my head. Can you see? It's just like even my cup in my head thingy doesn't even fit anymore, so it's just too much on my, yeah, anyway. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know that this is how things are going tonight, and see you tomorrow.
Toujours, I don't know why. Mais je comprends. Et tout là, c'est moi comme un moyen en français et tout. Là, I get you. And I understand.
And then we put in order for this one, and you guys won't believe it's just coming in. Today is probably the
Okay. Okay guys, so today is basically like the, actually it's still Sunday, but it is daylight. Anyway, so it's still daylight and she's doing my hair. We're almost done. We just stopped not to eat because we woke up really late and we had like to do other things. So yeah, she's almost done. It's quite cute, I like it, but it's just too much hair. Like, oh my, that's too much hair. And so yeah, I will show you guys the final results when she's done like cutting all these little things here. This is not you know, a review, like a look how I did. I'm just doing this because of my YouTube channel, so it can just be patient and, yeah, patient with me and your word and stuff like that. So basically, so this is it. I really love it, but I would like all this stuff, like all this, you know, lines to disappear. So she's trying to see how she can make them disappear. See the lines here? Here it's a little bit nice, but lines here and here, and those small lines here. So my sister will see how she can make them disappear, so it will look a little bit more natural. And after this, I'll show you guys, because this is the very first time I'm getting this, and I'm pretty sure that this is the first time she does it, so we're not really expecting it to be like very professional or really cute or cool or well or whatever, but yeah, so that's what it is. So I really like it though. I do like it, and after this I will style it and I'll show you. Stay there.